onions. I'm going to saute without oil. I will put a tablespoon of water. Add the garlic. Another tablespoon of water. So add water as needed. Put the carrots. Let it cook for a few minutes. Then add cauliflower and broccoli. Cut into small pieces. Add the corn. I'm cooking this on low. Chopped tomatoes, rotel, add chickpeas, black beans, better than bouillon. This is vegetable bouillon. Season with a little bit of salt. Add black pepper, chili powder, paprika. I will also add turmeric, ground cumin, cilantro, and a little bit of oregano. Mix it. Add water if you like. I will add probably half a cup of water. You can add more if you like. Put cover. Mix once in a while. And put the cover back. Add bell peppers. Add chilies or jalapenos. Make sure to taste it and add more seasonings if needed. So I added more seasonings. I added garlic powder and onion powder and more dried cilantro. Let it simmer for a few minutes. And this is ready. This definitely needs more water, but my husband doesn't like it watery, so this is perfect for him. It's done.